The International Opportunities Fund supports individuals and organisations and is run by our international arm, Wales Arts International. The fund supports the development of relationships, collaborations and networks between artists and art organisations in Wales with international partners. You could apply for money to test new ideas and ways of working, set up an exchange scheme to share learning, connections and experiences, and participate in formal or informal international networks. Manon Aust was artist in residence at Sculplobe, an association that organises art projects in and around Loeb Block, a studio house in Berlin that combines creative work with urban gardening. She was offered a studio, mentoring and space to experiment and respond to the unique architectural context. Her residency included a presentation of new works on the concrete rooftop and a performative photo shoot with Berlin-based Welsh photographer Caris Hughes. Through making and collaborating, this was an opportunity for Manon to develop her sculptural practice and expand her professional network internationally. Famadi Kouyate is Artistic Director of the Successors of the Manding, a company that promotes and shares West African culture and heritage through music and dance activities. He travelled from Wales to his homeland of Guinea on a research and development trip to research the traditions and stories of the balafon, a wooden percussion instrument that is central to the culture of the Manding. In partnership with Guinean-based theatre company Uni Arts et Culture and its director Lamine Diabate, Famadi explored creating a collaborative piece incorporating storytelling, music and dance. The multilingual film produced by the project gives a snapshot of the trip that documented balafon making, interviews with elders, craftsmanship and balafon playing in different settings. We're able to support this kind of activity thanks to the National Lottery players across the UK, who contribute to good causes every time they buy a ticket. If you have a project you think fits our priorities for this fund, go to our website to find out more.